Welcome back friends. In this video we are going to understand about the date filter and color filter option as well. So first of all, let's focus into date filter. In order to make you understand, I have created a column with the name which is DOB, which contains the date of birth of the candidates. One important aspect is the date need to be written in a proper format. Okay, so I have applied the filter. In order to apply the filter, you may go to data and click on filter. So filter has been applied. Let me go to this column of date of birth in the filter option. Before we get into this date filter option, first of all, let me make you understand this. Here you may see in an descending order years are mentioned 1992, 1991. If you want to get the data of any particular year, you may simply select that is 1989. Okay, and you may see all those options are. Now if you want to get any specific month and specific year data, you can do that as well. So in order to do that, go to filter and let's say I want to get the data of 1987. So here is this 1987 and there is this collapse button which is a plus symbol. So click over here. So 1987 May I want to get. So I have selected accordingly and click on OK and you will see those options are coming. So let's understand the option of date filter. In order to do that, let me go to this filter option. Here is this option of date filters. First option is equals to. Here you may type the equivalent to date. Here is this option which is before and after, which is being used quite often. So I will go to before option and let me show you. I am typing 12th of Jan 1987. So here you may see all the dates which is before this date are coming. Similarly, you may go for the option of after also and you can mention the date. Let me go to this before option and let me convert this into after. Is before and here it is after, and you may see accordingly result is coming. Similarly, there is this option of between, so you may mention two dates. Here let's say I'm mentioning 12th of Jan 1984 and here I'm mentioning 30th of December 1988. So all the dates in between those dates are coming. Irrespective of year, if we want to get the result in the form of months, then you may go to this particular option, go to date filter, and from here you may see this option of all dates in the period. Here you may see the quarter option is also given. You may go ahead and can select this. Quarter 1 is the first 3 months of the year, quarter 4 is the last 3 months of the year, and respectively. So let's say I want to get the data of April month, means who has taken birth in the month of April. So I have selected April. So irrespective of year, all those options are coming. So this is the date filter options which is being used quite often and is very useful. Now there is another option of that is filter by color. So let's say for some reason on the basis of importance I have color few of the names, let's say Abhishek and Mohit. Similarly there can be more data similar to this. So I want to select all the data which is colored in yellow color. So here filter by color I have selected yellow. So you may see this option is coming. Similarly filter by color I have selected this particular one, and if no color is being used you can go for this particular option also. So this is how date filter can be applied and color filter can also be applied. In the next video we are going to understand the advanced filter. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.